In this video, we'll demonstrate how to manage automatic login settings on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive into the tutorial, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about this feature and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started with the steps. From the home screen, navigate to Settings. Scroll down and select Users and Accounts. Choose Login Settings located at the bottom left. Look for the setting titled Log into PS5 Automatically. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled for this feature to work seamlessly. By toggling this setting on, your PS5 will automatically log in when turned on. However, note that if there are multiple users, the last person who activates this setting will be logged in automatically. Remember, if you have a passcode set for your account, you'll still need to enter the passcode before logging in, but this feature will bring up your profile swiftly for the passcode entry. If this tutorial helped you, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your support encourages us to produce more content like this. For further tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnet.business.